Hello everyone, this is CA Mayank Jhawar. I am a trader, investor and a chartered accountant. Wishing you all a very happy, prosperous and safe Diwali. So this year the model trading will be commenced on 24th October from 6:15 to 7:15 PM and I have some 5 stocks recommendation for you. ये माना जाता है कि मॉडल ट्रेडिंग पे जो भी स्टॉक लेते हैं वो शुभ होते हैं, तो एक अच्छी रिसर्च करके हमें लेना चाहिए for long term basis. So I will share you some of the stocks which I have recommendation for you for this Diwali model trading session. Going ahead, we should know how to select these stocks which we are going to invest in model trading. First of all, you take a paper and pen, write down 10 to 15 good fundamental stocks which you think are going to outperform in near future, and then you watch some experts videos, and if you are getting matching results, the stocks you have wrote and the expert suggestion, then you pick those stocks because you are also confident on that and experts are giving also some good advice on that. You should also know how much amount should we invest in this stocks for long term. I would suggest to you to go for 10 to 20% of your average portfolio capital amount for these model trading stocks. Here are my 5 picks which I think are going to outperform this year and I'm sharing with you. First of them is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is seen to be very strong these days and it is trading around its all-time high and current market price is 910. FIIs are also increasing their stakes in bank, and the bank is known to be the next HDFC Bank. Bank is also very comfortably giving the loans to NBFCs which is going to be very beneficial to the bank because they are getting good interest rates from NBFCs. The iMobile application of 7.3 million activators from non-ICICI Bank account holders, and my projection is it can give a return of 20 to 30% this year. The FIIs have also shown very interest in ICICI Bank and they have increased their stakes in ICICI Bank, and its gross NPA is 3.6 and net NPA is 0.89% for financial year 2022. You can say that the asset quality is getting increased in ICICI Bank and it can be a leading bank in India in coming future. So right now the price may look somewhat high, but it is actually going to outperform many other banks. Second pick is from metal sector. It is the Vedanta. Disclaimer, I am also an investor in Vedanta. I have got very good returns in past 2 years and great dividend paying company. Vedanta is a leading natural resource extraction and mining company, so you might be aware about the dividend paying history of Vedanta. It gives very great dividends. But before investing in Vedanta, you should know 2 to 3 points. That is, first, it is a metal stock, so metal cycles may affect it. Secondly, its promoters are not known to be very good in terms of goodwill. Many people don't like the promoters of Vedanta because of their actions in the previous few years, because of delisting and all. But I prefer it for good dividend and company is good. But third stock here is HCL Tech. HCL Tech is very good company and it has been performing very decently in past few years. You can see the numbers on the screen. HCL Tech is also famous for its dividend payment. It has continuously paid dividend for last 63 quarters. No other company has ever paid dividend for continuously last 63 quarters. HCL Tech is trading as 1030 and which is 25% down from its all-time high, and it has a potential of 30 to 40% up movement from here. So my fourth pick is Wipro. Wipro has been seen in a correction zone from last 4 to 5 months. Its all-time high was 713 and it has corrected around 47% from that all-time high. After this correction, the price of Wipro is looking very attractive and I think it can give a very good potential returns from here. So you can see the data. Wipro's PE right now is 17.12 whereas sector PE is 25.37 and price to book ratio is 3.2 whereas sector is 7.03. Last quarter result was not so great and it is also been affected by the US markets because the majority of clients of Wipro are from US only and the US markets are not performing well right now. The market price of Wipro is very attractive, which is 380. You can accumulate Wipro by way of SIP, monthly SIP, and we can accept a 30 to 40% return in near future by Wipro. Number 5 is not a stock, it is an ETF, Motilal Oswal N100. N stands for Nasdaq. It basically invests in companies listed in Nasdaq of the US stock market. So it is down 25% right now from the all-time high and it is currently traded at 90 rupees. It is down because of the inflation situation in USA and all the stocks are down in USA listed in Nasdaq or Dow Jones, and it is a good opportunity to actually accumulate this. Motilal Oswal N100 had performed very well in past 2 years, but right now it is down 25% from its all-time high because of the US markets are down. The US markets are down because of inflation and Nasdaq listed stocks are very well affected by the inflation there. This can be and buy the opportunity in US market. If you cannot invest directly in US market, you can invest in these ETFs. You can also invest in an ETF known as Parik Flexi Cap. It also invests in US market as well as Indian market. It also have given very good returns. Right now it is also down. The 5 stocks and ETF I will be personally investing this Diwali. You can also write down the name of the stocks you think fundamentally good and take some expert advice, see the videos which experts are posting and match the stocks you have written and experts have suggested, and then choose wisely whatever you want to invest. So this was it. Wish you a very happy, prosperous and safe Diwali. See you in the next video. Till then, peace.